stop scrolling. These videos were generated from just one image using Seedance. No editing, no animation skills, just an image turned into a cinematic video. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to Edimakor AI. This tool is insanely powerful. Sign up, and once you're signed in, you'll see this dashboard. Now, to use Seedance's image-to-video generator, we need an image first. Don't worry, you can generate one using Edimakor's text-to-image, so tap on it. Here, select the image model. I'm choosing Nano Banana 2 because it gives the best results. Now paste your prompt. This will generate a hyper-realistic human eye with a miniature world inside it. Now select the image resolution, then the aspect ratio, and the output quantity. I'll keep it at 1. Then hit generate. All right, the image is ready, and this is exactly what I imagined. Let's quickly download it. Now watch carefully. One wrong step and your result won't look this good. All right, now comes the interesting part, turning this image into a video. Go to image to video. You'll see multiple models here, but we're using Seedance. Upload your image. Select the aspect ratio, tap OK, then paste your animation prompt. Choose the duration, select the resolution, and hit generate. It'll take a few seconds. All right, the video is ready. Let's watch it. This is insane. It looks exactly how I imagined it. The train is moving, the water is flowing, birds are flying, even the tiny details feel alive. And remember, this all came from just one image. You can create videos like this using Edimakor's AI tools. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more AI content like this.